Hello everybody! Today we're going to do something a little different. I featured this electric skillet many years ago. It is new old stock, but I'm going to start using it out here in the workshop to do a bit of cooking videos. For today, for its first tryout, I'm going to be frying up some bacon because I've got some stuff I want to try out with bacon, so I need to have some pre-cooked bacon ready to go for that. I'm going to be turning this on for the first time and letting it warm up and see if it works properly. I'm sure it will. Here's a look at the control panel, the good old SensaTemp. I can smell the NOS cooking off. So I'm going to go get my bacon and let this thing warm up, and we'll fry up some bacon out here in the workshop. The electric skillets come up to temperature. I got this pound of bacon from Target the other day. I believe it was $4.49 for this pound. That is nice. Already smelling good. Now I'm on the last 3 slices of bacon. I'm just going to let them cook in real time. Maybe some people want to hear sizzling bacon. So I'll just let the bacon do the talking here, and we'll finish up this last little batch. That one's pretty close to being done. That one closest to the back of the workshop. And this is just the perfect size for what I'm going to make. So that couldn't have worked out any better. And then there were 2. believe I'm going to call that done. So here's everything done. It did a great job. I am going to use this again to demonstrate my next quick breakfast, but I needed to prep some bacon meanwhile, so I can use this for different things during the week. But that skillet cooked this bacon up just perfect how I like it. Now that all that hard work's done, I am going to sample the product. Just how I like it. That's pretty good bacon. Once again, this has been frying bacon in my new old stock West Bend electric skillet from 1982. Thank you for watching.